Hello everyone. If you're into gardening like I am, check out the YouTube channel pickerick1. I'll put a link down below in the description, and go ahead and check out his channel. I have learned so much off of his channel, different ideas with my tomatoes and peppers, and he's got greenhouse videos on there, and he's got some pretty good, really some good ideas on his channel. So go ahead and check him out, and I guarantee you there'll be a few things you'll learn off of him also, even if you're a seasoned gardener. And what's nice about Rick, if you make a comment, he answers. He doesn't ignore his subscribers. So go ahead and click on his channel and subscribe, and hit his bell. And a lot of his older videos really cover gardening really well, and he's starting to put more on there right now for this year, so check them out. They are awesome. So anyway, just check out Rick's channel, and like I said, make a comment, and he usually replies pretty darn fast. So if you have any questions. Alright, y'all. See y'all later. Bye.